In a world filled with endless possibilities, what sets the successful apart from the rest? It's not just luck or talent, it's the habits they cultivate every day. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm here to share with you 9 habits that will propel you towards success. These habits are not just for the elite few, but for anyone who is determined to reach their full potential. So, grab a pen and paper, because these habits are game changers. Habit 1: Wake up early. The early bird catches the worm, as they say. By starting your day before the rest of the world, you'll have a head start on accomplishing your goals. Habit 2: Set goals. Successful people are driven by clear, actionable goals. Take the time to map out your objectives and watch as you move closer to your dreams each day. Habit 3: Continuous learning. The most successful individuals never stop seeking knowledge. Whether it's through books, courses, or mentors, make learning a lifelong pursuit. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4: Stay organized. A cluttered environment leads to a cluttered mind. Keep your space tidy and your thoughts clear. Habit 5: Practice gratitude. Success is not just about material wealth, but also about appreciation for the journey. Take time each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. Habit 6: Network. They say your network is your net worth, and it's true. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you to be the best version of yourself. Habit 7: Embrace failure. Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone towards success. Learn from your setbacks and use them to propel you forward. Habit 8: Take care of yourself. Your physical and mental well-being are crucial to your success. Prioritize self-care activities that rejuvenate and recharge you. Habit 9: Take action. Success is not just about dreaming, it's about taking consistent, purposeful action towards your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these habits today and watch as you journey towards success. Thank you for watching. Remember, success is within your reach, it's just a matter of cultivating the right habits. See you next time.